Hello, my name is Luz Dari Rodriguez. I present you my dreams and ambitions. What were your dreams when you were a child? When I was a child, I dreamed of being a nurse. When I was a child, I wanted to study administration. When I was a child, I wanted to learn how to drive a car and motorcycle. When I was a child, I wanted to buy a motorcycle. When I was a child, I dreamed to celebrate my 18th birthday. When I was a child, I dreamed of visiting my grandparents. When I was a child, I wanted some skates. When I was a child, I wanted to have a Toto suitcase. When I was a child, I wanted to belong to the dance group in my city. When I was a child, I watched Ride a Planet. What dreams have you achieved out of those you had? I have studied in nursing. I have studied administration at university. I have learned how to drive a car and motorcycle. I have bought a motorcycle last year. Last year, I have celebrated my 25th birthday. I plan I visited my grandparents in Madrid year ago. Yesterday, I had bought some skates. I have bought a Toto brand suitcase. I have participated in a dance group my municipality. I have traveled to Bogota. What are your dreams or ambitions in this moment? I plan to finish my university studies. I plan to visit my grandparents next year. I plan to learn basic concept of car mechanics. I want to give my parents a trip. I want to know the city of Mexico. Bye bye.